Come in, everybody. Welcome to Detox Party. Excuse me, Mr. Pepper, sir. Your last name is Raw or Cook? Raw, dude. Of course, Raw. Excellent. Come on in, then. Hey, stop there. Name and last name, please. Bread. Whole wheat bread. With a B and a W. Okay, give me a minute. Hey, I got a Mr. Whole Wheat Bread here. Yeah. Flour, I think. Yeah. All right. Sorry, buddy, but I can't let you in. Guys? Who cares? I don't even want to go in your party. Super boring place. Fruits and vegetables? A bit later, you're hungry again. Welcome everybody. Come in, sir. Good to see you again. Always a pleasure to have you. Come in. Hey, you! Where you think you're going? You got a lot of nerve to show your face around here. Excuse me? Are you talking to me? I am Broccoli. You're not fooling anyone with that stupid wig, Bread. Anybody could come in this party except for you. Now take him out of my sight. He's leaving traces all over the place.